Welcome to our journey into the enchanting world of red pandas. In this 7-minute video, we'll unveil the fascinating life of these adorable creatures and explore their unique characteristics. Let's begin. First, let's learn about the habitat that red pandas call home. Found in the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China, these regions offer the perfect environment for these charming creatures. Lush forests, bamboo groves, and mountainous landscapes provide them with shelter and ample food sources. Red pandas are instantly recognizable by their vibrant reddish fur and distinctive facial markings. Their fluffy tails, which serve multiple purposes, including balance and insulation, are a sight to behold. Their sharp claws and agile limbs make them excellent climbers, perfectly adapted to life in the treetops. Let's dive into the dietary preferences of red pandas. While bamboo makes up a significant portion of their diet, they also enjoy a varied menu. Fruits, berries, eggs, and even small insects provide them with essential nutrients. Their ability to consume both plants and animal matter showcases their versatility. Red pandas are known for their playful and curious nature. They engage in acrobatic antics, from rolling down slopes to somersaulting through the trees. Despite their solitary nature, they do have social interactions with other red pandas, especially during the mating season. During the breeding season, female red pandas give birth to 1 to 4 cubs. These adorable offspring are born blind and rely entirely on their mothers for care and nourishment. Witnessing a mother red panda tenderly caring for her cubs is truly heartwarming. Unfortunately, red pandas face numerous conservation challenges. Habitat loss due to deforestation, climate change, and illegal hunting pose significant threats to their survival. It's crucial for us to raise awareness and support conservation efforts to protect these wonderful creatures. On a brighter note, dedicated organizations and conservationists are working tirelessly to protect red pandas and their habitats. Through initiatives such as habitat preservation, community education, and captive breeding programs, there's hope for a better future for these charismatic animals. As we conclude our journey into the world of red pandas, we hope you've been captivated by their beauty, charm, and unique characteristics. By understanding and appreciating these remarkable creatures, we can contribute to their conservation and ensure their existence for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating wildlife content. And remember, together, we can make a difference in protecting our precious red pandas. Until next time.
Зевает. Язык это нет удовольствия высылает.